Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this video I will show you how you can create menus and link certain pages on the menus on WordPress website. Okay, first of all, before you create menus, you have to create some pages. So we have some pages and link them on the menu. This website that I'm working right now, it's an empty website. It doesn't have any menu here. It has only logo, which I showed you in a previous video how you can add logo, and the favicon here. Okay, if you want to learn how to do this, you can watch my other videos. But here I have created also a few pages. If I go to pages, I have created 3 pages. Alright. Also, you can see on another video how you can create pages on WordPress. Let's create 2 more pages so we can have some pages to link on the menu. Go to page. Let's say this will be products or services. Service 1, publish, and then let's go to create one more. This is here the service 1. We can go to add new, service 2. Let's say we have a website that we are selling some services, please. And then we will create also a page about services in general. So we will link under the services, the service 1 and the service 2 as a drop down sub menu. Okay, so let's write services, let's say our services, and then click publish. Okay, now we have the pages we need. We have 5 pages. Let's go to create the menus. To create the menus, we have to go to appearance and then go to menus. Click here on menus. Here there is nothing, there is no menu yet. We have to create, because you can have different menus, menu for the header, menu for the footer, and actually you can have many menus, and you can show different menus on different pages. You can show different menus on people who are logged in, or different menus on people who are logged out. This can be achieved with the plugins, but I don't show this on this tutorial because they are more advanced. I will show in other videos how to do this, but on this video I will show you how you can just create the first menu. We have to come here to write, let's say, main menu. And here we can choose where this menu will display. Let's say that this is the main menu, and we'll click create menu. We can edit everything later if we want. Okay, now here we see that on the left we have some options. Here are our pages. Okay, if you click view all, you see all the pages. We see that this page is the front end. You have set the home page as a front end, and then we have about us, contact us, our services. So let's take everything and add them to the menu. So we have them here. Now what we can do, we can just drag and drop everything to set how they will appear. Like we have on the left to be the home page, then we have to have our services, and then under our services we can put service 1 and service 2 as a drop down menu. Okay, this will have to hover the mouse to appear under our services, and then we have the about us and contact us. Before we continue, if you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. Let's continue with the video now. If we click save menu, and now we go to the home page and refresh, we see here that now we have the menu, and we can customize everything on the how the menu will appear. But now we have a menu, and if we hover our mouse over our services, we have the service 1. If we click it, it will go to the page. There is nothing because we will build it, but this is how we just created our menu. Okay, we go to the home page by clicking this, contact us, about us. There is nothing, of course, but we have a menu. Now, how to customize the menu? There are a few ways. For example, we can go to customize. Here now, the menu belongs to the theme. And to customize the menu, we have to customize the theme. One way to customize the theme is to click customize where I clicked, or the other way is here on the appearance, you click customize. Okay, so we have 2 ways to customize the theme. Let's come here and we want to go to, let's say, edit the menu. The menu is under the header. because here this is the header of the website. Okay, so we go to the header, and here you see the menu. So you have some options here. You can change the color. We can change the hover color. You see, when we hover, it changes to blue. Okay, we can change this from here. We can make it green. Now, when we hover, it's green. You can change the link color of current menu. For example, now we are on the About Us. If you click here and you change it, the About Us will show red. You see? So you know which page you are now. Whatever you do, you click Publish, and all the changes will be saved. Okay, you can also change here the distance, the space there is between. The padding is called actually padding. Okay, between the menu. So you always make it to look nice. Here, this is the Ocean WP theme. Not every theme is the same. So whatever I show now, if you open your theme and it is not exactly like that, it's because you are using a different theme than mine. But in general, all the themes has the similar ways to customize the menu and the theme in general. So here you can customize the drop-down styling. For example, this, you can make it wider. You see now, it is wider. Okay. And the colors. So this is actually very easy to understand what it is. Also, you can customize the menu if you go to the typography. Here there is another option. If I go to typography, there is the main menu option where I can do some other changes about the font. For example, I can make it 18. You see now it's 18. I can make it 28. You know, you can do it as you like. This is of course too big, but 18 is something could be okay. And also you can click here and you can customize the font for the tablet and also for the mobile. So you see here the menu. Always check on your mobile how it looks, because here it can look different than the reality. That's something that you have to be aware of. Okay, so that is how you can create a menu and link the various pages on the menu, and also how you can customize the menu. There are more ways to customize it. For example, on the typography here, there is the mobile menu you can customize, the drop-down menu you can make it different. Okay, so, but what I said, each theme has different options. So check your theme and see if your theme provides these options. Some themes, and especially the free themes, don't provide so many options. In order to make you purchase, of course, the pro version of the theme. I'm using the free version of the Ocean WP theme, which is amazing. I like it and I'm using it on my websites, and the free version provides so many options to customize the website that I don't feel the need to purchase the pro version. But it depends on your needs always. When you are ready, you click always Publish, and to leave this area, you just click the X icon here, and everything stays. If you refresh the page, everything will be there. If you find value, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel to watch more tutorials about WordPress and make money online, and also let me know in the comments if you want me to cover any particular topics for you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.